This is called Shooting Birds 3.
Lower little birdies, come on.
With water gun. They're all over there. Why are they all over there?
Because they know that area is not protected. Let's sneak up on them. Okay.
Okay.
Your dad has a crap ton of food over there. Come on.
We use food to lure them in. You
Throw a hot
get
dog
it?
down on the ground.
Oh, yes, that's a perfect idea. And then we wait and we shoot. No, the bird
Race to
part
the hot
off.
dog. Yeah, we catch a bird. Yeah, we got it back. We got the hot dog's worth back.
I don't want to eat it now. What do you mean I got it?
So wet and soggy. Like step on it, start to kill it.
Why is there more where we came back from?
There aren't any there.
There was.
Over there. You're thinking that it might be safe now. Within.
Stupid birds.
Oh, we're flying fighter formation. He just sees me in this
Pause.
car and he's like,
Pause.
backing off.
Pause. Stay still. So sad, no birds. Oh, there's a bird, there's a bird, oh, there's another bird. I wish our gun could shoot like super duper high. That'd be awesome, and then
I
we
need to
can
get a high-powered squirt gun and just boom, snipe.
Yeah, I think it's kind of weird.
Just like sniping them out.
Pretty cool. Are you making a video?
Yep.
So you never forget this parking lot.
Yep.
It's a good one.
Okay, that's the end of Hunting Birds 3.